Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Cadillac Escalade. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine as well as a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities include such as premium leather heated and cooled seats, 22-inch midnight black alloy wheels, blackout package, trailer tow package, as well as frontal collision alert, lane keep assist, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, you're going to have these big doors with lots of extra paneling here on the bottom of the door. It's going to come equipped with the Bose premium speaker sound system as well. You're going to have your driver adjustable mirrors as well as your power lock, power mirrors, and your seat and mirror memory. It's going to have the wood and chrome finish here on the door. Of course, we're going to have the running boards, the Cadillac badging, as well as we move on to the seat, the power adjustable heated and cooled leather seats there as well. To the interior, of course, we're going to have our lighting and our 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive, as well as our heads-up display right there. Of course, moving on to the steering wheel, we're going to have our forward collision alert, voice recognition, and our cruise control, as well as heated steering wheel comes equipped. We're going to have your media control here just on the right side, as well as we're going to have an all-digital speedometer here, as well as gap adjust is seen right there. You're going to have the classic truck shifter there as well, the push to start. And of course, you're going to have our climate and volume control there as well. It also comes equipped with the rear climate control. And if you just hit hard enough here, it's going to open up. You're going to have a little extra storage there and a little USB port back there as well. Goes right back down. Of course, we're going to have the infotainment system here. You can control your audio as well, your phone, your Bluetooth connectivity, navigation. Of course, we have the climate control there as well as you can check your SMS text messages in your inbox. It also comes equipped with a Wi-Fi hotspot there as well. With the rear view camera there, you can have the regular and the digital as well. You have extra power here as well with a 12-volt DC port, 2 USB ports, as well as 2 cup holders there as well. On the center console, you're going to have a wireless charging pad, as well as you lift this up. You're going to have another 12-volt DC port, USB port, and an auxiliary port as well. This is just adjustable as well. Of course, on the passenger side, you're going to have that same leather finish there and that same finish on the doors. And of course, to access the glove box, you just hit up here. It's going to knock it right down for you. And you're also going to have up here your rear door control and as well as your sunroof. You're going to have these 22-inch midnight aluminum wheels here with the monochrome Cadillac badging there as well. Of course, we're going to have the paint match mirrors and chrome finished door handles with keyless entry. Of course, we're going to have that chrome and black running board there as well. You're just going to have the classic Cadillac Escalade badging there as well. Lift that up. You're going to have a little bit of extra storage once you move the seats down here. If you lift up, you're going to put this down first. So you're going to have lots of extra storage here as well. If you lift it up, you're just going to have extra storage on the bottom there. It's going to have a little 12-volt DC port on that side, as well as when the seats are up, you're going to have cup holders there, an extra cup holder there, and of course, a little 12-volt DC port there. Very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear, we're going to have that same Bose speaker just on the bottom of the doors. You're going to have the paneling right under the door with a little extra storage space. You're just going to have the power window, but you're going to have a little extra cup holder there, and a little extra storage. If we get in, we're going to have these classic leather captain seats here as well. You're going to have storage just behind the passenger and driver's seat, as well as you got the ventilation here. You're going to have rear heated seats there as well. A little extra storage compartment in there, as well as another extra 12-volt DC port and an AC wall charger right there. You're going to have vents right above you as well for that cool air conditioning, as well as a third row seating there. It's going to be a little extra short, but you're going to have that extra storage that you do need for any extra passengers. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2020 Cadillac Escalade. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine as well as a 10-speed automatic transmission. It's also going to come equipped with magnetic ride control, as well as brake controller, tow package, safety assist package, as well as frontal collision alert, lane keep assist, and so much more. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.